Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buckle up and experience the epitome of German engineering, because today, we're diving deep into the world of the 2024 Audi RS7, a machine that seamlessly blends pulse-pounding performance with luxurious comfort. Under the hood of this beast lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0 liters V8 engine, churning out a heart-stopping 600 horsepower and 800 newton-meters of torque. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mind-bending 3.6 seconds, pinning you to your seat and leaving you breathless. But the RS7 isn't just about straight-line speed. It devours corners with surgical precision thanks to its quattro all-wheel drive system and adaptive dampers, offering a dynamic driving experience that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. Step inside the RS7, and you're greeted by a symphony of elegance and technology. The cabin is awash in premium materials like Nappa leather and brushed aluminum, creating an atmosphere that's both sporty and sophisticated. The standard panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light, while the ambient lighting system allows you to personalize the mood. Technologically, the RS7 is at the forefront of the game. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus displays all the vital information you need right in front of you, while the MMI navigation system with a 10.1-inch touchscreen keeps you connected and on track. And for the audiophiles, the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system delivers an immersive listening experience that will rival any concert hall. The 2024 Audi RS7 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a declaration of your passion for performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It's a car that turns heads wherever it goes and demands respect on the road. So, if you're looking for a machine that can thrill you behind the wheel and pamper you in equal measure, the 2024 Audi RS7 is the ultimate choice. If you're interested in learning more or getting behind the wheel of this incredible machine, visit your local Audi dealership today. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think of the 2024 Audi RS7. Until next time, happy driving. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.